So this is the first. Oh my god, just forgot to. Anyways, so uh, first is associate analyst, security operations center analyst. They want minimum 6 months of experience, right? And it's a dairy based job, and minimum 6 months of experience is required. So within 7 days, if you can join, it's good for you. And around 23 to 28 CTC, they can pay you. This is mail ID rosni.moria@impactinfotech.com and kiran.gupta@impactinfotech.com. So this is mail ID, and this is the what are the things you need to do as a L1, right? Now next one is associate analyst. Again, 2 to 6 years of experience is required. Associate SIM tool is important. Notice period should be max to max 30 days. IT graduate should be only there. Okay, and active certification from EC Council will be required. Active means like if you're going to do CEH from EC Council, you'll be having a value for the 10 years, right? After the certificate will expire and you will not be a certified cybersecurity certified ethical hacker, right? So it should be like active CEC Council certificate, right? This is mail ID minal.g@anglance.co.in, right? And the next one, someone is looking for VAPT consultant, minimum 1 to 5 years of experience is required. VAPT mobile app, all those things is important. Mail is bwenit@banita.ka @seedtechsystems.in. This is on which you can apply. And they want someone who can immediate join, right? It's a Thane based job, so you need to work in Thane, which is probably near Mumbai. Okay, you need to do VAPT for mobile app, identity vulnerability, and some more things. You can check out there. And there are a couple of requirements which is required. Why join them? Because as always, they have expert. Anyways, this is the next opening that we have, which is again immediate opening. Okay, so immediate opening is for actually for the network engineer, those who should have good knowledge of networking. CCNP RNS is important. F2F only is there, and Mumbai Bandra should be the will be the work location, right? Minimum 3 years of experience is required. Eligible criteria will be BE, BTech, and their key responsibility like you need to operate data center and operate and support hardware network troubleshooting, coordination with OEM support, and all those things. So just read it out. And mail ID you can see in the bottom, which is shreya.tiwari@cipl.org.in. So just do accordingly, right? Now next one, which is again someone is hiring for assistant professor in digital forensics and cyber forensics. So it's in Combator. So just let me know where the Combator is. And it's a college name is CMS College of Science and Commerce, which is Combator, which invites you to work as a assistant professor. So you need to have some sort of experience. Is 0 to 1 years of experience required. Freshers can apply to, and MSc is the minimum certificate which is required. And MSc should be digital forensics or cyber forensics, right? And you can drop a mail on screensaji110@gmail.com, right? So that's all for today, guys.